Hello guys, in today's video I will be showing you how to find accessibility settings on your accounts on Canva easy and quickly. So first of all, enter the application and then go to these three lines up here and then click on your profile and then go to the settings and again click on these three lines up here, and here you will find the accessibility, the last one on the personal account settings. So click on it. Now as you see here, you can change the theme to dark if you want, or if you want to change it to light or whatever. Here you will find the shortcut require modifier, so you can if you want to turn it on or off, the high color contrast, the captions and stuff. And that's it for today's video. I hope this is the answer you've been looking for. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.